सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल धर्मशाला में अवेनियर एजुकेशन द्वारा इंटर हाउस क्विज प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन करवाया गया। इस प्रतियोगिता में अवेनियर एजुकेशन के डायरेक्टर अचल छाबड़ा ने मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में शिरकत की। अचल छाबड़ा ने बताया, अवेनियर एजुकेशन का मुख्य उद्देश्य बच्चों को उनके सही कैरियर के बारे में सलाह देना एवं अगर कोई विदेश में अपना बेहतर करियर बनाना चाहता है तो उसके बारे में अच्छी तरह से मदद करना है। इस प्रतियोगिता का उद्देश्य बच्चों के स्किल्स को और अधिक अच्छा करने एवं खेल खेल में उनके कैरियर को लेकर पूर्ण रूप से गाइड करने के लिए था। अचल ने कहा, अवेनियर एजुकेशन इससे पहले पंजाब के विद्यार्थियों को कैरियर में मदद दे रहा है। अब अवेनियर एजुकेशन ने कांगड़ा हिमाचल में अपना ऑफिस खोला है, जहां कोई भी आकर उनकी एक्सपर्ट टीम से मिल सकता है। अब हिमाचल के विद्यार्थियों को विदेश में पढ़ने के लिए या विदेश में कैरियर बनाने के लिए अपने राज्य से बाहर जाकर कंपनियों से संपर्क करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अब वह अपने ही राज्य में अवेनियर एजुकेशन से आकर संपर्क कर सकते हैं।
Where is Wankhede Stadium located? Yeah, perfect. So, question for you now. You want current affairs? What do you want? Something related to Bollywood, Hollywood, football, basketball? I'm not aware. Huh? Badminton. That's what you want to do. Huh? I only know about BBC. So I learned a few things from you. So that brings a great question for the next quiz. I'll take your for that. Okay. Football, which is your favorite club? Do you support any club, football club? No. What about you? I'm a Liverpool fan. Huh? Liverpool? So we're not going to ask questions on football then. We're going to differentiate on things, right? Okay, so the question is, with which field is Rajiv Khel Ratan Award associated with? It's the easiest question. I've given you an answer earlier. Have you heard of Rajiv Khel Ratan Award? Yeah? Field guys. Are you sure? Yeah, that's fine. Let's come to the next question then.
Republic Day, that was celebrated on 26 January because they had earlier celebrated the Independence Day on 26 January only. So that is the reason we particularly had that, because that was the first moment when they thought of food Swaraj. Right? So that's the question. But I'll ask you another question, don't worry about that. So you want the easiest one, right? No, this was just a general. No, don't mark this question, this particular question. No, that was the question because he's going to get a prize for that. That was a normal question, right? So I'll ask you this. You know, one of the famous Bollywood actress, Madhuri Dixit, right? Could you please tell her husband's profession? Right. He's a doctor, PhD doctor or a doctor, general surgeon or something? Surgeon? Neurosurgeon. You know everything about everything. I'm a Bollywood actress. But at least almost everything. Right? Okay. So next question. Easiest one. Who's the Chief Minister of Punjab? Easy question. Come on. That's not a... You guys are approaching elections. You know, this stage is... Wait. I'm going to give them a chance. Yeah, that's fine. Right answer. Could you please name an Indian state having a different summer and winter capital? Sorry? No, that's the wrong answer. They get -5 for that. No. You said Himachal Pradesh, right? You said Himachal Pradesh. They don't have a different summer and different capitals. No, that is what the legislative, assembly, they have a different sitting judge or different matters. But you don't have a summer and a winter capital. No? If I'm wrong, if teachers could, correct me on that. Am I wrong on this point? Himachal Pradesh doesn't have two capitals. No, it doesn't have. Because your legislative assembly, they have a this thing, one in Dharamshala and one in Shimla. So I'll go to the next question. Right? They get -5 for that. Okay, so next question. Shall we go? Whom is Deepika Padukone? 5, 6 and 10. $3 billion is the wrong answer. The second option. Quickly, we don't need to waste so much of time. Was it a guess? You're right then. So let's come to the Salman Khan part, the Eagle scheme. I'll always remember you in my life. So there's a question for you. So the question is, Suresh N. Patel was appointed as head of which institution recently? CBI, very popular right now, Supreme Court of India, Election Commission of India, or the Central Vigilance Commission? CBI, Supreme Court of India, Election Commission of India, Central Vigilance Commission. Give them a mic.
Election Commission?
No, that's the wrong answer. You will pass it or you will give a good try again?
CBI?
If it was a, CBI is in news, so the question goes to Pioneer. So you got two options.